Yeah. Okay. So this is the back entrance, right?
That's where the bridge is. Nepo Mall is right behind us.
Ah. Okay.
These are all part of the origin.
Right. Okay. Let's go in there and take a look and see what we can find. This is one of the several malls you have here, and Nepo Mall is Nepo Mall is in the outskirts of the central part of Angeles, so closest one I would say to downtown Angeles City. So we're gonna try to head in that way.
Bridge to go into this other place here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I've been into Nepo Mall, but I really never what do you call it? Spent a time in it. So let's just go in there and cool off. Maybe we have an ice cream or something. Hello. Hello. You have a camera here. It's hello, hello, hello.
You can see all these people are so friendly.
Yeah, there are friendly people. That's one thing with the Filipinos. They are friendly. So. Male, female, doesn't matter. Passing through security here, right? Alright. Nepo Mall. Oh, Avonson, that's where, you remember the little oven I have at home? This is where I bought 120 of them for the pizza joint. Yeah. Spent like 115,000 pesos on ovens.
All the eating places, lots of eating places out here.
Yeah, Greenwich, Chowking. What else did we have down here? Inasal, of course.
Robinson Supermarket and of course Jollibee.
Yeah, Robinson Supermarket down that way. What do you got? Okay, not today. They want to give us a little massage machine. Well, I'm not giving us, right? They want to sell it.
Yes. See.
All right, so down here is the supermarket. If you are American and you're coming here and you're hungry for a Pizza Hut, there is one right down here this way.
And the KFC next door.
And then you have KFC next door. Oops. All right, so the hardware, do-it-yourself hardware, they have expanded their store, because here was a Smart Globe store here, and that's gone now. So they moved somewhere else, I think. And then there's a bunch of small little stores back in here. Shoes galore.
Yes, they're challenged in the Philippines if your foot is larger than 46 European and 12 size American.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe.
13 why I can't find shoes in this whole country.
Yeah, maybe that's something we need to let people know. You know, if they're coming here,
Bring extra shoes.
bring extra shoes. If your shoe size is bigger than 45, bring them from America. You can't find them here.
Yes, 45 European or 12.
You managed to get a 47 13E here,
Yes,
right?
but it was expensive and it was imported.
And it was like, man, they sure got a lot of shoes here. Look at that,
Well, they have all sorts of nice shoes,
shoes everywhere.
but they're limited as far as the sizes are concerned. They don't bring
Yeah.
anything larger than size 12 American.
Yeah, well, my size is probably okay because it's 43 wide.
Yeah, you got plenty of
So-
nice shoes here.
But look at this, you know, there's shoe stores everywhere. Look, there's just on this corner, there's like 5 shoe stores.
Yeah.
All right, so then you have a Western Union down this way, right? Let's just go and have a look and see what they got. Can't hurt to do some window shopping. Cannot hurt to do a little bit of window shopping. Lugao Republic. So they do Lugao 1. Filipino food, yeah. And another thing you will find, here's another shoe store, is a lot of accessory places for cell phone. Cell phone is probably one of the bigger markets for Filipinos. You know, it's kind of, I don't know how you say it, ironical. Sometimes they don't have food money, but they do have a Samsung 10. They have cell phones. They're not cheap either. Some jewelry.
Someone said you give Filipinos rice and Facebook and you're happy.
Yeah, at least a lot of Filipino women are that way. That's part of the culture, I think, over the last 20 years, you know, with internet coming on and all that, so. Yeah, you see, it goes down everywhere.
Yeah. You have the center of the mall here and then
Right. Some baby charm stores
you got
over.
a third story too. Upstairs.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, that it looks
You
like
got
the
all the technical stuff, the techie stuff is upstairs.
tech stores are upstairs. Yeah, I can see that up there. The Nepo Alley. Right, so here you have, is this where,
No, the Newpoint is this is the
tunnel?
tunnel.
They just built that?
Yeah,
All right.
Newpoint is fairly new.
All right, upstairs you have all the tech stores and you have Robinson's
Department store. But
department.
Robinson's is all 3 floors.
Oh, okay. Yeah, they're here too.
And here we have access to Newpoint. The tunnel this way.
Okay, so the tunnel goes that way. And there's that. And some other stores, shoe stores, whatever. So let's walk this way and see what we get here. At least we got to cool off for a few minutes.
Yeah. And the tunnel's air conditioned. see Holy Angel University from here?
Oh yeah. Down that way?
Yeah, that's Holy Angel University.
Okay.
And then this is the tunnel to Newpoint from Nepo Mall.
And then you can get down on ground again there, right?
Yes.
Alright guys, this is Nepo Mall. I think
Now we're on our way to Newpoint.
Newpoint, what is that? Newpoint is it?
Newpoint has some restaurants and some shopping additional to it.
Oh, okay, so
And then there's a whole story office building on top.
okay, so it's office rental space up top.
Yes.
Okay. Alright, bookstore out here.
National Bookstore,
Oh yeah, okay.
pharmacy.
South Star Drugs, pharmacy. And then you have National Bookstore over on this way. So that's part of it. Hello. What are you selling? You selling perfumes?
Yes, you can try. You want some? This one, I give clinic happy for them.
What?
It's a long lasting and oil is long lasting, long night. Okay. Smell good.
I come home and smell like this, I'm in trouble with my wife. It smells female. All right, thank you.
You're in trouble.
Yeah, I'm just joking with her. All right, thank you.
I'm leaving with a camera every day. I get so many smiles now.
Yeah,
Maybe a trick for
trick for a date?
dating, yes.
Carrying a camera? You can try it.
I use a puppy in the US. I'll try a camera in the Philippines.
Yeah. All right, here's your
Massage.
massage chair.
This is the end of
The end of the tunnel, huh?
the end of the tunnel.
Oh yeah, and then you have the kids' corner right here. All right, kids' fun back in here. Okay. All right.
The escalators. There's more food places downstairs.
Right.
Oh, across the street there's a whole square of restaurants.
Yeah, on the other side there. Yeah, you got McDonald's there too, right? Yeah.
Yeah, but they have some real nice restaurants.
Yeah.
Have you ever eaten at Toll House?
At what?
Have you ever eaten here at Toll House?
No.
They have decent food, not only cakes and stuff. They have good food.
Yeah.
Shop levels. Good point.
Complete requirements na lang.
All right, so we're heading down. All right, so
Next is the floor level, and then underneath is
Some restaurants,
no, underneath is some other
entrance.
shops and stuff like that. But it's like a stage kind of.
Okay. Oh yeah. Maybe they have some entertainment going there. What's the way to go? This way? Pharmacy, Watson Pharmacy. You got Burger King. We're just passing Burger King, I think. It seems like Burger King is actually coming more and more here now.
There's a lot of it.
Yeah, it's getting a lot of them now. 5 years ago, there wasn't that many.
We got 2 exits.
Okay, so this is street level, and then you have
And then you have a base level. You got more stores and restaurants and like a stage area there.
right.
But, we can go out that way so we can see what the.
All right.
Walk towards the restaurants and see where all the restaurants are.
All right, guys. This is a wrap for the Marquee Mall. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Get some notifications. We are coming out with a new series of videos here, and I will keep you updated on that. For all our subscribers, they will be notified before anybody else. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.